journal! I can't find it anywhere! Journal? You know, the journal! The one my dad left for me! Ow! Okay, you've got to think logically. When did you last see it? I was reading it in bed last night. Then I was dreaming. And then I heard a hoot. And then... Of course! Oh, ow! Peter? Old Brown stole my journal! I've got to get it back! I'll help you! Me too! Owl Island, here I come! Wait, Peter! Owl Island is half a mile away. I know that for a fact. We can't swim that far. But I've got to get over there. What we need is a boat. Yes, we can build one. The plans are in my dad's journal. Oh, this is exactly why we need to get it back. Maybe the squirrels can help us. Squirrels don't have boats, Benjamin. No, they have rafts. I've got this. Yes, Benjamin. That's got their attention. Thanks for the lift, Nutkin. I'm not Nutkin. Huh? You're not? I'm not even a squirrel. And neither are my friends. You all right, Lily? It is too far to swim. It's too far to run. Don't worry, I think we're almost there. How do you... Because Rocky Island is always surrounded by mist. And I know that for a fact. Wait a second! I think I see something! No wonder it's called Rocky Island! Look! Old Rusty's signal! This way! Rabbits are brave! Rabbits are brave! Are you sure the signal was coming from over here? Trust me, it's this way.